Hey guys, Sky2Quaddy here. What you're looking at is the latest BangGod clone. And I decided to make this with some of the parts I had laying in the garage because I needed to get something out. And I wanted to retire my very first FPV drone, which is this BangGod, using the components from the original Nazgul V1. So this sucker has withstood the test of time. It's a warrior, and there's nothing I can do to kill this frame. And so I just decided to hang it on the wall. It's done its job. 4 years of service. I'm not using it anymore, even though it runs perfect. It was my very first FPV drone. And so now I decided to do the V2. Now this V2 has, like I said, the Vista in the back, and then the Vista in the middle, in the center, and the flight controller in the back. And you might be asking if that works. I was not sure myself, so I watched a Joshua Bardwell video on it, and he explained that it does not matter if the Vista is in the center or in the back of these particular drones when you're flying freestyle or manual. If you're flying autonomous, might be a different story. But anyway, I did the basement pit tuning on it and took it out. It flies great, but it is heavy. It's 850 grams all up weight. And I am also using this DJI Action 2 camera. I liked it so much that yes, I went ahead and got 2 more. So I have 3 in total. Also running these motors I got on Team Black Sheep Method R's. They're oil filled, and I got them for $10 a piece. And I gotta tell you, they were really smooth. They were smooth. There's 2207, 2000 kV 6S, and they lift up this 850 gram quad, no problem. Anyway, that is what I have for now, guys. Let's take it out so you guys can see how it flew. And yeah, that is the latest BangGod V2 clone. Out here at the latest Bando. Hey guys, Sky2Quaddy. We're flying drones out here in a new location, new spot. It's a Bando that some of the guys found in Mexico someplace. And anyway, this is such a freaking cool spot to learn to fly Bandos everywhere. Obviously, I'm not great at it, but it was a great experience. And today, I don't know if you can see the top of that roof. Yeah, that's where I actually landed one of my drones, my Imitation BangGod. I'll show you that earlier. I'll show you footage of that. But it's great to have great friends. You see people behind me back there, maybe. Yeah, FPV pilots that I've met along my journey in flying and having a great time and forming groups and coming out to fly. And they helped actually get my drone down because I couldn't do it on my own. There's no way. These guys really helped. They used a rope and a mini sandbag and got it down. So, but overall, it was a great experience. It's a great place to continue learning and enjoying the FPV hobby. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy the flights, and thank you for watching my channel and enjoying the footage that I have. More to come, guys. Anyway, got my quad back, got my Action 2 back. I am happy. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Sky2Quaddy signing out. BangGod Imitation 2 was stuck. Rezi got it down with the rope skills. Hell yeah. When you guys see where it was stuck, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Lucky to get it down.
Both of them.
That's both of them, because the Action 2 did not come down with the quad. Rezi had to get that one down separately with Larry navigating the throw of the rope. Incredible. All right, we'll see what's broken. We're gonna keep sending it up. All right, let's test it out. Guys, Larry, Rezi just saved my quadcopter. We're on top of that roof, guys.
That's just still recording?
Yeah, still recording. And what I'm recording on is the Action 2 that actually got stuck up there with this drone.
The Action 2 gave us some action.
Action 2 gave some action, but these guys got it down. Guys, you're looking at the Imitation BangGod with the oil-filled motors. And we took it to a Bando today. And I'm lucky to get it back because of my great friends that helped me retrieve it from the top of a roof. I don't know if you can see that small, you see the small building here, but it's they're building right behind the shed right behind it. I got it stuck right in the very top of it. And my FPV friends were able to get it down for me because I would not have been able to get it down by myself. So we all need everybody, each other in FPV. And yeah, just continue to be kind, fly smart. But so glad I got this drone back and blessed to have great friends that I met online and through the drone community. All right, guys, take care.